This is how to write equations in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you can select a project or you can create new. We will create new and we'll start with a blank project. We'll name this equation. Let's create. Then we will use a package. So this is a math package. Use package. AMS math. Then under document, we will remove this one first. We will start with x plus y plus z. We will start with x plus y equals z. So just type backslash bracket, and in between we'll type x plus y equals z. Then we will recompile. Okay, you have x plus y equals z. And if you want to write exponents, okay, we will use another line. Okay, we will use square brackets again. Okay, just type x. Then we will type caret. Then 2 plus y caret 2 equals z caret 2. And recompile. And you have x squared plus y squared equals z squared. If you want to write square root, okay, another square bracket, just type backslash sqrt. Then inside this parenthesis, let's say x, and you will get square root of x. And if you want to use subscripts, okay, let's create a new line. Just use underscore. Let's say a underscore 1 plus a underscore 2 plus a underscore 3. And just click recompile. So there you have it. And this is how to write equations in Overleaf.